Hello guys, today I will show you the 5 trick which you can do with your laptop or with your PC with this window key. You use this window key to scroll window menu, but in this video I will show you 5 tricks or 5 hacks by which you can navigate different things with this window key. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more informative videos. Let's get started. The first window shortcut is window plus number keys, by which you can open and navigate different apps on your laptop. Like if I press window plus 1, it will open Microsoft Edge, and if I press window plus 2, it will open the next tab, which is quite easy to use with this shortcut. The next shortcut will also help you a lot. If you are chatting with anyone, you have to send different emojis. So how you can do it? You can simply hold window plus this button which I am showing you on the screen. If you open this, you have different options to choose from, like emojis, clipboard, and many more. So you can choose the option which you want, and it would be very easy to use this option as when you are chatting with anyone. The next shortcut is very important for the person who want to check their window capability, like CPU, GPU performance. So all you need is that you have to press window plus G button on your keyboard to check it. So all the widgets will be open, and you can see on the performance tab, you can see CPU performance, GPU, VRAM, RAM, and FPVS. So by which you can check your window performance, is it doing well or not. This will also help you to calculate your window level performance. The next is window plus A, through which you can open all the settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane, and more the settings which here you have to access, like brightness and volume. So through which you can easily access this menu. Heading toward the last is window plus tab, through which you can navigate different desktop. Like if you are using different desktop for different apps or different menus, you can choose it easily by using window plus tab option, which is quite great to use that. So this is the video. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.